Today's cryptic crossword clue is sewer rat reflecting about oil pollution. And I love this clue. This is one of my favorite clues on Minute Cryptic in a long time. Liam wrote this clue, and Liam, thank you. I think this is just perfect. The first thing I want to say about it is just its beautiful surface where you have a rat in a sewer reflecting thoughtfully on oil pollution. That is just fantastic. The second thing I want to say about it is that there's quite a bit going on. There are a few techniques that you'll need to use, and yet at the same time, none of those techniques is particularly difficult. I wouldn't call this clue particularly hard in a way. And the final thing I'll say about it is that I think the payoff at the end is particularly satisfying. And before we get into it, I'll just kind of make a meta point about clues that I've made a couple of times, which is when you have a long clue with a short answer. You know, there are quite a few words here, many of them are long, and yet our answer is short. How are we going to deal with that? And in the past, we've talked about, well, maybe there are deletion indicators which make words shorter, or maybe there are indicators that tell you to take only part of a word or only the first letters of certain words. But there's another way, which is, what if all the long words are the indicator words and all the short words are the fodder words? Then you wouldn't need to do any of that. And that's what's going on here. Our fodder words are rat and oil, which are the 6 letters we'll need to make our answer. And I want to start at the end with pollution, which is an anagram indicator telling us to rearrange oil. Those letters will be in our answer, but in a different order. And then we are told that rat goes about oil, but it's not rat, it's a reflected rat. It's rat the other way around. Reflecting is a reversal indicator here. And with reversal indicators, you can put a synonym in the place of rat in this example. Maybe we could put rodent in, but rodent's too long, so why don't we start with the easiest option, which is rat. And so if we reverse rat and put it around an anagrammed oil, we can get the word Taylor. And that's where we see we've been pronouncing the word sewer wrong, because it's not sewer, it's sower, another word for Taylor.